Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Courage. So in this video, I want to quickly show you how you can set up or how you can run a sponsored ads on Instagram. Okay, I'm going to show you the profitable way to run a sponsored ads on Instagram that is guaranteed to get you more customers, that is guaranteed to put your business in front of the right people, get you more customers, attract more sales and more leads, and also help you grow your business. Okay, if you'd like to learn how to set up the your ads manager, how to connect Instagram to your Facebook and all those kind of stuff, I've made a video on that. I will link it in the description below so that you go check out that video after watching this one, and you know the preliminary stage on how to set up Instagram and how to connect your Instagram to your Facebook account so that you can run adverts through Facebook. Because the best way and the most profitable way to run adverts on Instagram, it's via Facebook. Okay, via Facebook Ads Manager. That is where we are now. So once you get here to your ads manager, you just simply set up your ad. Now, if you don't know how to, if you don't have an ad account, or if you don't have a business manager account, just like you can see here, business manager, then you can use your primary ad account. Now, the primary ad account is the ad account that came with your Facebook profile. Okay, you simply go on Facebook, you simply check out your Facebook here, and you click on create, or you just come here on this right side, on this left side, sorry, click on see more, ads manager. Okay, once you click on this ads manager, it's bringing you right here. Okay, so you're going to use, that is if you don't have a business manager account, you're going to use your primary ads account. They are all effective. Okay, so without wasting time, guys, let's dive into this. Let me show you exactly how to set up and run profitable Instagram sponsored ads that is going to guarantee sales and more customers. Please, guys, give this video a thumbs up. All right, I'm just asking you to kindly give this video a thumbs up so that more people get to see this video. Now, if you are new here and you'd like to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post videos. Now, let me show you how to set up sponsored ads on Instagram. So now you're in your ads manager. You click on create here. You can see this create button here. You click on create. Now, based on the objective, based on what you want to achieve with the advert. Now, majority of businesses on Instagram does not have websites, especially small businesses. Okay, so you can use any of these objectives under consideration. All right. Now, if you have a website and you want to sell a product, you want to drive traffic from Instagram to your website so that people can go to your website and purchase an item. Okay, you are going to use the conversion objective here. So you click on conversion. I'm going to come back here and show you how to use this one, but I just want to quickly show you a quick setup. So you click on conversion, and then when you get to the ad set level, you are going to optimize for purchase. All right. If you have a website, you want to drive traffic from your Instagram to your website so that people go and place an order, you use the conversion objective here. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to come back here and show you how to use these objectives so that everything becomes very clearer to you. All right, but I mean, it's good that you learn this also so that you can begin to apply it in your business and in other people's businesses and get paid doing it. So you just name it text ad, right? That's the campaign name. Test ad as a campaign and ad set and the ad. All right, so that's the test ad now. So you just come here, you click on next, turn off this CBO, this campaign budget optimization. That is, if you don't want to optimize your budget, just let it be off. You can choose the budget you want to spend by yourself. All right, so you come here now, because you chose campaign objective. Now remember that we said that if you want to use the campaign objective, it is when you have a website, you want to drive traffic from Instagram to your website. Okay, that is when you use the campaign objective so that people go to your website and place an order. So when you get here, you're going to optimize for purchase. You're going to optimize for purchase. You have to be sure that your event has been properly set up. All right, that the purchase has been triggered before now. Okay, so you have to optimize for purchase. There has to be a pixel on your website. Your website has to be pixelated. So you just click here and you optimize for purchase. You come down here and you select purchase. All right, you select purchase. You have to make sure that this is prioritized. This is very well optimized, and this is you know very well selected in your own process. So just that is it about using the conversion objective. All right, because when you get here, you're going to optimize for purchase. Now you are seeing all of this because this very ad account, I don't use it for ads. I use it for YouTube. I created it just to be, making videos, tutorial videos for my YouTube channel. Now, for the very ad account that I used to run ads, the pixel is well situated. The pixel is well fixed, and the purchase objective and the purchase as in the conversion objective is well positioned. All right, but for the case of this video, that is why you are seeing all of this stuff now that you are seeing. So that is it if you want to do a conversion ad. Now, but for many small business owners who don't have a website, they just want to drive, you just want to invite people to your store, or you just want to show people your offers, and then they can send you a message and purchase. We're going to use a different ad objective. So we come back to the we come back here. All right. Now watch. We're going to select a different campaign objective. It was conversions before, so we edit. So we're going to come back here and select messaging objective, messages. Okay. We continue. Select message objective. So we have changed it now from conversion to messages. Now, the reason why we're choosing messages is because now you can also send traffic to your Instagram profile. You can create an engagement post whereby you make a video and people begin to engage with your videos if they find it interesting, and that's how people go viral. Just create viral videos and get more followers and grow your Instagram. That is, if you want to get followers, if you want to do the follower stuff, you can use engagement objective. But for the sake of this video, you need people to start sending you DMs. Okay, you need to capture information of your audiences or your prospects. So you don't just send the traffic to your Instagram profile. When the traffic gets there, what do they do? What kind of action do they take? So it is best that if you don't have a website, instead of just sending traffic to your profile, you send these people to your DMs so that they can send you a DM and purchase whatever it is that you are selling. All right. So we click on the message there. You click on continue. Now we are here at the ad set level. Okay. Once you get here to the ad set level, you come down here. Watch, you come down. Remember that you have named your ad set. You come down. Where are you sending the message to? Is it to Messenger, which is Facebook Messenger? Is it to WhatsApp or to Instagram? Remember, this advert is about Instagram sponsored ads. So you click on Instagram. All right, and not Messenger. So we have deactivated Messenger. By doing so, the advert is not going to show on Facebook. The advert is going directly to Instagram. But if you allow this one, then the advert is going to show both on Instagram and on Facebook. But we uncheck Facebook so that the advert is going to show just on Instagram. All right. Now, what is the call to action you want people to take? Like this is click to message, sponsored message. No, you leave it at click to message. All right. Then you come down. You come down here, please. You select the Instagram account where you want to run the adverts to. Okay. You select the Instagram account where you want to run the advert to. Select the Instagram account where you want to run the advert to. Okay. And then you select your budget. How much do you want to spend on the ad per day? Is it $10? Is it $5? Is it $20? $50? As the case may be, based on your budget and based on what you can afford, right? Remember that it is the higher you spend, the higher your chances of putting your business in front of more people. Okay, it's always a game of numbers. That's what sales is. Sales is a game of numbers. Okay, now you have optimized for messaging. They're going to send message to your Instagram, and then it's going to show click to message instead of sponsored message. All right, so that anyone that clicks it is going to land in your DM. So you select your budget. Okay, You can decide to schedule this advert to start running at a particular time and stop at a particular time. In that case, you just click here, see set end date, set an end date. You click here, so you select the date where you want the ad to stop and the time. All right. Once you do that, you check. You select the date, you select the time, and then everything starts working. It starts working when it's approved, and it ends on the day you want it. But I don't usually like to do this. I don't advise this option. I like to monitor my advert. I like to turn it off when I want, and allow it to run whenever I want. So that is it. You check this out, and then you come down. Now this is the place where you do your targeting. Okay, which location do you want to run this advert? Where is your audience, or where is the target audience based? Do you want to target Lagos? Do you want to target Abuja? Do you want to target the whole of Nigeria? Now, it is not advisable to target the whole of Nigeria if you don't have a huge budget, because it's a large country, right? So if it is okay, it's just okay that you target a particular location like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt. And then if you want to target more places, if you have the capacity to make deliveries to all the states, then you can target as many states as you like. So you just click here like we did. You click here like we did, right? You remove this Nigeria. This cancel here, you remove Nigeria. Then you begin to input the states where you want to target. Lagos. Lagos. Okay, so if you want to target Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, you can add all of them. You can add as much as you want. It's your choice. You can add Abuja here. All right. Now, depending on your location, if whichever part of the world you are, just type in the location that you want. If you're in Arizona, if you're in the US, if you're in Ghana, if you're in Cameroon, if you're in South Africa, wherever you are, you can just type in the location you want to target, and it's going to show up the same thing here, right? It's going to show up your location here, and then you can reduce the mile radius. Now you are seeing that in Lagos, we are targeting Lagos, and then it's going to show, this advert is going to show to people 25 mile radius away. So you can decide to reduce this or increase it to 50 or reduce it to 10, so that you can target just within a certain environment. All right. So it's a matter of choice. You can decide to target as wide as possible, or you just narrow it to within a very confined environment where you have the capacity to handle the clients and to make deliveries, as the case may be. So when you have selected a location, right, you come up here and you select people living in this location. Because why you have to select this is because now this by default, it will be in people living or recently in this location. Why I advise you select people living in this location is because if you use people recently in this location, people are traveling. Some might have been in Lagos just for a meeting or just passing through Lagos and then gone to Port Harcourt. When you use this option here, people living or recently in this location, now that person who is not living in Lagos, but just because the person was recently in Lagos and has moved, is going to see your advert. So you are showing your advert to people who are not even in the demographics where you want your advert to show to. All right. So always select people living in this location so that your advert is going to be shown to people who are domiciled, people who are living in that location. Gong. All right. So you select this. Okay. And then we come down here. Age, you select the age that you want to target, the age bracket. It depends on the product that you sell. If your product is for age bracket between 25 to 40, 25 to 35, as the case may be. All right. Now, for you to know this, just need to go into your Instagram or Instagram insights to find out the age range of your audience. It's there on your Instagram insights. Just go to your settings, just go to your profile, Instagram profile settings, click on insights. You're going to see it there. All right. Then the gender, the products you are selling, is it for all genders or is it for just men or just women? This is where you select your gender. If it is for men, you select men. All right. If it is for women, you select women. All right. If the product is for everyone, for all genders, then there you go. There you go. All genders. Guys, please give this video a thumbs up, right? It's going to help the video to be shown to more people. It's going to help my video pop better on YouTube, Yeah. So you select the gender as the case may be, all right? In this very situation, I'm going to allow the gender to be all. But for your own product, you're going to select which gender that you prefer your advert to show to, your target gender, your target audience. All right, then you come down. Here's detailed targeting. Detailed targeting. This is where you select the interest. This is where you target the people who are interested in what you are doing, in your product or in your service. Okay, you click on edit here. So you begin to target by interest. Now, assuming you are someone who is a baker, you're into cake business, you're selling cakes. You have a birthday cake that you want to show to people whose birthdays are coming up soon. So you can begin to target people who are interested in cakes, or who are interested in birthday cakes, or people who have upcoming birthdays. Okay, so you can type birthday cake, right? So just going to let the stuff populate and come up. So now, assuming that the person is having a birthday, you want to target people whose birthday is in July. You just look for the month here based on demographic. Birthday in July, you target. All right. Now you also target people who has upcoming birthdays. Upcoming birthday here, demographic. All right. You target. Then you target birthday cake. Birthday cake. Here, birthday cake is an interest you target, because someone who's having a birthday very soon must have been looking for where to get birthday cake, right? Then you can target, yeah, that's it. Upcoming birthday in July, upcoming birthday cake, cake. This is cake, right? It's an interest. You target cake, and that is as much as it goes. So you can, this is your advert is going to be shown to 520,000 people. Now, depending on what you are targeting, some interests have a very large audience, while some are not so large. It all depends on what you want to target and what you want to achieve. All right. Now, assuming that this is the people you want to target, that's okay. Now, another way to also show your advert to people who are most likely to buy, people who are most likely to not just see your advert but also buy, is to narrow it down to engaged shoppers. Based on behavior, you target engaged shoppers. All right, engaged shoppers. This is a behavior. Engaged shoppers. Now, this means that your advert is not just going to show to people who are interested in this products in cake, but it's going to show to people who are engaged shoppers, who are not just interested in cake but also go ahead and purchase based on past events that has been recorded on Facebook. All right, that's how it works. That's how it works, guys. That's exactly how it works. Okay. Now, if you put that engaged shoppers here, you can see that our audience was at 500 and something. Now it's over 600 and something. All right, it's over 600. So what we are going to do is we are going to look for that engaged shoppers here. We're going to remove it. Okay, then we're going to come down here and narrow it down. Here. Look at this place. It says exclude and narrow. And if you want to exclude people, if you want to do your Instagram advert and you don't want your followers to see the ad, you want to exclude people who follow you already, you can just click on this exclude and exclude people who follow your page. But there's no point excluding them. They are there because they like your business and because they love what you do. So it's good to also show them your advert so that most of them can purchase from you and be converted from followers to customers. All right. Now you have selected your interest. The next thing is to narrow it down to people who are actually most likely to purchase, because it's not everybody who is in this interest category that's going to buy. But we need to show this advert to people who are most likely to purchase based on events and based on their behavior on Facebook. So we click on narrow audience here, and then we look for engaged shoppers. Engaged shoppers. Here. Now look, our potential reach ideally was 520,000 people. Yeah. Now let's go to engaged shoppers then and see engaged shoppers. Now you see, because we have narrowed it down, we now have a potential reach of 120,000 persons. So from 540 or 520 or thereabout, it has been narrowed down to only 120. Now, these are the people who are most likely to buy. These are the people who are most likely to buy based on past events, based on the data that Facebook has, based on their activities on Facebook. Facebook have seen that these people actually do make purchases on the platform, right? They do see an ad and they click on it. So those people who click on adverts to go and purchase or to send messages or to send DM, those are the people that are engaged shoppers because they have been shopping via Facebook and Facebook has their details. So Facebook is now going to show this advert to those people and they are most likely to buy. So that instead of showing your advert to just anybody that fall into under this audience category, they're going to show it to only the people who have been engaged in shopping via Facebook. All right. Now I'm using Facebook instead of Instagram because it's the same thing. Facebook is the mother company. Instagram is a sister company, a sub company under Facebook. So it's just the same thing. All right. So yeah, our adverts, our audience has reduced now to 120,000 people. You can add more, but it's okay. It's well defined this way. It's well defined. So you can save the audience if you want to. Save the audience, click on save and give it a name so that you can use the audience to run more ads subsequently. All right. Then you come here. We don't want automatic. We want manual. We want the manual placement. We want this manual placement. All right. We want to control where our ad is shown. Do you want your advert to be shown on Instagram, newsfeed, Explore, and stories, or you just want only newsfeed? You decide, right? But usually it's okay that you leave your adverts, since it's Instagram, leave it to be on the feed, on the Explore page, and in stories. All right. Now you can see it here. Instagram feed is checked. Explore page is checked. Stories is checked. So your advert is going to show in these three places on Instagram. Okay. We move. Next. You click on next here. Now this is where you set up this is where you put up the ad creative. The ad creative, okay? Ad setup. So you can either select from an existing post. When you click on this create ad, okay, you can either select from an existing post or you make a new advert. Now, if you have created a post on Instagram, all you need to do is simply click on this and use existing post. Okay, use existing post, and then you come down here, click on select post. Click on select post or enter post ID if you have your post ID. So once you click on select post, it's going to open up your Instagram. It's going to open up your Instagram. Then you can select any posts that you want to run this advert to. Okay, you can select any posts that you want to run this advert to, either from Instagram or from Facebook. Select any of the posts, but be assured that the post is going to show on Instagram. The advert is going to show on Instagram. So once you select the posts, that is it about it. So let's just make an example. Let me show you something. So assuming you select this post now, you come on your Instagram and you select this post and you click on continue. It's going to bring up the post here. It's going to bring up the post here. Can you see it now? Now this is the post. This is your advert. This is how it's going to appear on Instagram. All right. This is how it's going to appear. You're going to put some words. You're going to write some words. Okay. So this is how it's going to appear. Okay. Because you are using an existing post, this is how it is going to appear. But what if you don't want to use an existing post? What if you don't want to use an existing post? Remember that we optimized for messaging. So you see here, send message is showing here, send message. That's what they're going to see when they see your adverts. They're going to click on it and send you a DM. Okay. So what if we don't want to use an existing post? What if we don't want to use an existing post? We want to create a post from the scratch. Okay. So what we're going to do is that we're going to change post here. I can just cancel. Now, when someone sends you a DM, when they click on your message, let's treat this. When they click on your message, okay? When they click on your message, these are the things they're going to see. When they click on your message to send you a DM, they're going to see things. They're going to see this greeting. It's going to your once it opens, it's going to say hi, the person's first name. Hi, first name of recipient. Please let us know how we can help you. You can edit it. You can edit. Say hi. You edit and say how may I be of service to you today? Okay. Please let us know how we can help you. Or hi. Let's try and edit this. Okay. So we are good. All right. We are good. So that's it. Hi, first name. Hi, the first name, okay. How may I be of service to you today? How may I be? How may I be of service to you today? Okay, that's the message the person is going to see when they click on send message. Right? Once they see it, then they can choose any of these questions here. So these are the questions that you can also edit. Right? They can choose any of these questions now. You see, now you see it. Look at how it's going to appear. Once they click on send message, they will see, hi, Courage. How may I be of service to you today? If the person's name is Maxwell, it's going to be, hi, Maxwell. How may I be of service to you today? And then Maxwell is going to select any of this. Okay. Can I make a purchase? I'm interested. Can you tell me more? Can I learn more about your business? All right. That is what they are going to see. So you can come here and edit it. Instead of saying, can I make a purchase? You can just edit and say, please, I'd like to order a cake. Okay, since you're making an advert on cake, I'd like to order a cake. Okay, then that's the first question, because you have three options. The person can select one out of the three. So you can see the first one, hi, I'd like to order can I order a cake? Second one could be, can I get more than two cakes? Third one could be, I would like to visit your store. What's the address? So the person will see the three options and click on send in the one that is very suitable to them. So I can tell and say, can I make a purchase? I'm interested. Can you tell me more? Can I learn more about your business? I could say, I want to make a purchase. So I just click on send. Can I make a purchase? Then you're going to receive the DM on your Instagram. Someone wants to make a purchase. And then you take up the discussion from there and you sell to them. All right? So that is it. Now you have your advert, right? You have your everything has been set up properly. Everything has been set up properly. Remember that for you to change that message that the customer receives, this is where you come, the message template here. You come here and you create message, and then you go and edit it just like we just did now, like I just showed you now, right? So everything is pretty much okay. Everything is pretty much okay. Everything is pretty much okay, right? Now, if you don't want to use an existing post, that's also fine. You come here in this existing post, you click on create ad. You create ad, right? The existing post is gone now. So you come and select either a photo, either an image or a video. Either an image or a video. So you select a video, for instance. So you can select any video, for instance, for your advert. You can select something like this, right? If you don't have any video on this, if you don't have any video here on this interface, you simply click on upload here. All right, you click on upload here. Then you select a video from your desktop, from your computer, from your laptop, whatever. Select the video, you click on open, and then the video will appear here. You come here, then you select it from here, click on next. All right, and this is the video. You can crop, you can use recommended as Facebook is showing us now. This is the recommended size. This is the recommended size. All right, you can see that this is the recommended size. You can use your own original size though. You can use your own original size, yeah. But Facebook knows the best size for their platforms, so it's always better that you use the recommended in some cases. All right, but since we're not running this advert, I'm just going to move ahead. Okay, so just click on done, and the video is going to be imported into this place now. This video will be imported here. Now this is our video here. Okay, so we'll now go ahead. Now, as you can see here, there are no words here, there's no message here. So we'll just come to the primary text on the left. Come to the primary text on the left here, and you said, since you are selling cake, so you need to have a very captivating copy that gets people to click and send you a message. Okay, you can say, we know your birthday is coming up. So, and we have a delicious cake to mark an amazing year for you. Right? And when you come down here, you will see the word that we just typed now. Boom, here. You can see it. We know your birthday is coming up soon, and we have a delicious cake to mark an amazing year for you. All right, just give the details, give a detailed description of the cake, the price, how they can get it, and stuff like that, and ask them to send you a DM ASAP to claim their own cake with the offer. Have an offer with the offer and everything. All right, easy peasy, just like that. Right, the call to action is send the message. Is send message. The call to action is always send message. Send message. That's the call to action, because you are sending a message. That's it. That's all. That is all. That is everything that you need to know. That is all. Your advert is ready. This is how it's going to appear in the Facebook news feed. Okay. This is how it's going to appear in the Facebook Explore page. In the Instagram Explore page, not Facebook, Instagram Explore page. This is how it's going to appear in the Instagram Explore page here. This is how it's going to appear in the Instagram news feed. And then this is how it's going to appear in the Instagram story. Okay. This is how it's going to appear on the Instagram story. Easy peasy. No long thing. No stress. Yeah. No stress, man. It's cool like that. I hope I believe you found this very helpful. Now, if you have any question, I will be in the comments. Drop your question in the comments, and I will be glad to help you and answer your questions. Okay. And yeah, if you have comments, leave them in the comment section. I'd like to meet you. I'd like to interact with you and then get to know you more and know about your business. Okay. And then please make sure you like this video, share this video with friends, family, and anyone you believe is going to find this helpful. Now, after doing all of this and creating all of this, the next thing for you to do is to hit on publish. And that's all. Once you hit on publish, the advert will be published, and you wait for Facebook to notify you that the advert has been approved. Once it is approved, your advert will start running, and you start getting DMs, and you start closing them there in the DM and start making money and start smiling to the bank. And then you remember me that I made it possible for you, right? I showed you the way. So yeah, kudos to you, man. I'd like to see you grow, and I'd like to see you, grow your business and have a better life. So I have more videos on this channel, so you can check them out and update your knowledge, get more information that can help you grow your business. If you'd like to see more content like this, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post helpful videos like this one. So guys, I'll leave you with these two videos right here, and they're on this screen now. I'll leave you these two videos. Watch the videos and learn how to do proper targeting and how to set up ads even to your WhatsApp. Okay, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Cheers.